here's a quick video. Wanted to get a quick video because Addie just walked out, put on Mommy's gardening gloves, picked up Mommy's gardening shovel here, and she's trying to pick some weeds here. I thought that was pretty cute. So, are you getting all the weeds, Addie? Well, you're doing a pretty good job. It's kind of tough to see because of the shadow right there, but ooh, good job. You're actually doing a pretty good job there, kiddo. Might have to start giving you an allowance early, huh? Careful. Thank you. Are you getting all the weeds? I don't see any weeds there, sweetie. Are you just playing with the dirt? Oh, okay. Putting that in there, huh? Hey, nobody likes a nosy neighbor. Addie. Can you wave to the camera? Are you having fun? Yeah. Is Mommy gonna come home and you're gonna be all dirty? And then Daddy's gonna hand you off to Mommy? Alright. That's about it. Wave bye. Bye. Blow. Oh, actually, don't blow kisses. Parker, can you say bye? What are you doing, buddy? Trying to get the chair? Can I get a close-up? Can I get a close-up of you? Huh? You're just the happiest little baby boy, aren't you? Huh? You're getting your top 4 teeth in. You've been doing pretty good, huh? You're getting pretty close to walking. Alright. Well, that's it for now. We've been playing the beanbag game already today, and it's a pretty nice day out so far. Trying to get out early in the morning before it gets too hot. So, alright, we'll talk to everybody later. Bye.